Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use Jira for Agile project management, you know that closing a sprint the right way is crucial, not just to keep your board clean, but to track your team's progress and prepare for what's next. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to close a Jira sprint step by step without missing a single detail. So stick around, because the way you close a sprint can make or break your next one. Let's jump right in. When a sprint ends, Jira gives you the ability to wrap it up neatly, ensuring all completed work is recorded and anything unfinished is handled properly. This not only helps your team review progress, but also sets a clear path for your next sprint planning. First, navigate to your project. From your Jira dashboard, use the left sidebar to select the project you've been working on. Once you're inside, click on the backlog section. This is where you'll see all your sprint details, including upcoming and active sprints. Now, find your active sprint. In the backlog view, scroll until you see the active sprint section. Here, you'll be able to review ongoing issues, see what's been completed, and identify which tasks are still in progress. It's a good idea to double check everything at this point. Make sure all completed tasks are properly marked as done. Once you're confident everything looks good, click on Complete Sprint. Jira will pop up a confirmation dialog. Here's the important part. If there are unfinished tasks, Jira will ask what to do with them. You can either move them to a new future sprint or send them back to the backlog to be prioritized later. Choose what best fits your team's workflow. Finally, confirm your selection and hit Complete Sprint one more time. And that's it. Jira will automatically archive your sprint data. This allows your team to run retrospectives, review reports, and analyze performance trends, helping you continuously improve each sprint cycle. And there you have it. Your Jira sprint is officially closed. If this guide helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more quick Agile and Jira tutorials, and comment below what Jira topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next sprint.